Howdy, folks. Today we're talking about a hibiscus tea recipe that's great for heart health. Hibiscus tea has been used for years to help lower high blood pressure. Studies show it can work as well as some blood pressure medicines. It helps relax blood vessels, supports the immune system, and provides antioxidants while acting as a natural diuretic. What you'll need is 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus flowers and 1 cup of boiling water. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Steep the tea. Add the dried hibiscus flowers to a mug of boiling water. Step 2. Wait. Let it steep for 5 minutes. Step 3. Strain. Remove the flowers by straining the tea and compost the solids. Step 4. How to use. Drink 3 to 4 cups daily to support heart health and manage blood pressure. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures, natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.